At this point in time, we still need to have a look underneath the Civic, but I have big faith in it. But today's video is more importantly about Twinbush, because they were the very first company that I emailed, that I reached out to when we founded the company, when we signed the rental agreement for our space, and they were the first ones to have trust in us to go in a collaboration. Now, we have right now outgrown this space and we're looking very hard at getting something bigger, and we have a couple of options. And with that will come also having more lifts and more other options. So I think it's a good time to go check out what Twinbush is all about, because they offer much more than just lifts themselves, and definitely we're gonna need a bigger one. Actually, as a matter of fact, the first one we ordered was a very tall one, and then we realized it would not fit in this small building. So hopefully in the future we will not have to duck underneath the car. All right, let's get in the car and go, go, go. Is that it? Could be. Mr. CEO in the back. How long is it gonna take us to have facility this size?
5 years.
Dude, that's sick. Do the G-Wagons belong to the brothers?
The last ones were white.
Yeah?
Two keys.
Yeah.
Now they've changed to the blue color.
Okay. Yeah, so they drive the same cars.
Yes.
Well,
but only the G-Wagons.
Very cool, very cool. Because the name Twinbush means twin. It's actually twins, and the last name is Bush. So the company was founded by twins and still run by. And they exist over 25 years as of now. So today we'll be guided around by Bernie, who is gonna show us around some interesting stuff. We already have LMP3 car over there, I see. So maybe one day. Let's do some shopping. What we need for E36? We'll probably need lots of oil.
5 engine cranes.
Five engine cranes and oil like pan. So show us around. What are we exciting. As mentioned, we need some lifts and actually maybe also some parking storages. So, oh, actually tires mounting stuff you also do, right? That's actually also very cool.
So if you do some work on cars, you need tire changes. You need wheel balancers, you need standard lifts. We have a full range here. The cheap ones, the big ones. Balancing machines.
Nice. Nice. So what's the story behind this? Do you guys race it, or you were sponsoring it, or what's the...
This one was bought for test drive.
Okay.
After the Audi R8 era in VLN. They have bought some different race cars to feel the difference, because this is an aerodynamic race car, I will think.
Nice. Yes.
Different driving to a standard race car. The biggest problem, I think, is
getting in and out.
getting in and getting out.
Yeah, absolutely. What I really love about the company is that you guys are also very much active in the motorsports. As mentioned, R8 and VLN, nowadays NLS, lots of classic races as well. So it's good to see that you guys are actually also involved in driving and racing those cars yourselves, or sponsoring. For example, is this the... No, that's not the DTM car. That's the R8 car.
No, this is the old R8, yes.
Old R8.
In the VLN.
But I remember when DTM was, sorry to say this, proper DTM in 2020-21, you had a...
But the blue-yellow livery, I think, is well known. This is a typical training car for some...
Yes. So
this is the new build-up Porsche. One of the Porsche was lightly damaged in front, so we used other ones.
Very nice.
And this one's just finished for the next.
So it's a 930, or no? It's a Cup
this is
Classic.
Naturally aspirated. No turbo.
Yeah.
Turbo cars I will show you later.
Oh, okay.
We have some.
Nice. Yeah, I love the hips and the tail, of course. Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, this was a 40T model like this.
Okay.
In this blue one. But this is switched to a V8.
Nice.
So
so it's like a hot rod resto mod,
modded,
something. With a fire extinguisher there. Very nice. Ooh, that's something special. The Nürburgring sign on it and Zach Speed.
Yeah, Erich Zakowski.
Of course, and actually, look at that.
It should be the Brundle guy.
Martin Brundle, the current F1 commentator and also father of Alex Brundle / Jimmy Broadbent's teammate with the Mustang. He's also racing in NLS. I think it was a Cup car that he was driving But regardless, and also actually, if you watch the latest series of Senna on Netflix, Martin Brundle was against Senna in the early days. So that's actually a big piece of history here. Look at that crazy stuff. Up to 1400 horsepower in qualifying mode. Because that's exactly what you need on a 20 kilo weight car. So they turn up the boost?
It's the booster for adjusting the boost.
Yeah,
I think.
that's probably like TÜV papers, all street legal. Fire extinguisher, yeah, between your legs, because that's definitely gonna help you. And that's super, super cool.
So this is one of the first monocoque cars, I think. Previous cars was framed and tubes. I think this is one of the first monocoque cars.
Yeah. Wow, and a bit of aero on the front. That's really cool. That's really nice. I love how we came here to look at lifts, but we ended up seeing actually cars. So maybe a bit more about lifts. What do you have here, actually?
We have the light testers you need for TÜV approvals and TÜV stations. Or in the floor we have displayed the brake tester. So there are different types.
Yeah, so all the TOV, MOT stations, basically.
Yes. So here in the rear you see two different posts, because one post is 8 ton, the other side is 5 ton. This is a new designed lift which is communicating by Wi-Fi.
Okay.
So you have a totally clear floor on the lower side and totally clear
upstairs. Yeah.
So you have special M-arms, so you can reach everything on the car.
Very nice. Is that a R8 engine or no?
That's not it.
Oh, it is. It is.
A spare engine on the...
Yeah. Beautiful.
Only for display, so we can use also.
Yeah. So that's the engine lift, or what is that actually?
Oh, this part of lifters you will need when you drive electric cars.
Ah, okay, for the batteries.
So you have different adapters. You can adjust the battery packs and can lower and raise.
Nice.
But in this case you can also change an engine. Yes.
Yeah, very cool. Ah, that's the DTM car.
Yes.
They were talking about. Yeah. Good old days. Although it was only 4 years ago. So, what do you do with this? Is that also your product?
So some customer came with children, and also our children from the company need to sit down.
That's nice.
So you can take also sit in this race car. It's working fine.
Oh, very cool. Very, very cool. Okay. Nice. Should I have a look upstairs? I saw you have something there as well.
Oh, we have upstairs is our storage for spare parts. And the workshop, if we do some calibrations from aligners and from balancers and so on. So here's a big office where we handle each customer.
Wow.
Not so much work because it's...
Yeah, lunch break. So how many people are you in total in the company?
Here total in the company are around 65.
Wow.
Workers also in the storage.
Wow. I don't remember Mr. Rockefeller, having those.
How would still...
How many markets or countries are you operating?
We have a branch in Netherlands, in France we have a big one, Romania we are also located, Spain we are located.
Are you selling worldwide?
Worldwide, yes.
Nice.
So we have also export.
It's like a big playground for not only kids but also grown-ups. Like we have a jumping castle. Very nice.
Here you can see some of the workers in. We have this our time strip, I would say.
Nice. DTM.
So different stages. Oh.
Yeah, that's the storage lift I was looking for.
Yeah, I think
actually.
Each year there is a calendar made with girls because...
And I like how you're still doing that. Even 2025 you still have a new calendar. You didn't like...
I think motorsport and workshop need...
Motivation.
Motivation.
Yes, that's a good word. Here we go, from 97. Nice. Where are we going next?
Follow me. Some aligner heads from the wheel alignment came back from customers for calibration and so on. So we have also the standard aligner system with CCD cameras, but we have also 3D alignment. We have also
nice. Very good. Maybe we need it one day if we're
spare cylinders if needed.
Oh.
Because our lifts are mostly hydraulic.
We've been operating your baby for over a year now, not a single problem. So
Mike is doing the job for the spare parts that each customer which has ordered spare parts gets them in time.
Nice.
We send them by UPS.
Same day delivery, if possible.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, if necessary, let's say. Yeah. Big warehouse. But this is not your only facility.
No, this is only the warehouse for export customers and big customers which get direct driven deliveries.
Okay.
So the standard delivery I show you in the other branch.
All right. Yeah. Let's go have a look there.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. On to the next location. Ooh.
We go the illegal way.
SF90 Black Series. Good collection of cars.
You need some cars for display. And for commercials, maybe.
That's good point.
You want to see some of the toys?
Yeah. Toys is always nice.
So in this area we do the standard deliveries to the customers, which buy one lift and one balance and so on. They will put on a big trailer and then
nice.
deliver everything.
Gia, come. What do you think she's trying to like bolt?
It's okay.
Yeah. Well, this one is pretty straightforward. Oh my god, the car is dirty. Anyway, we are now at the very first facility where Twin Bush started to operate from. Oh, look at that. Vika is here.
This was the first showroom we have. You see only the bolts in the floor.
Yeah.
This is, you know which one? It's with license plates and has. This will be a car for you, I think.
Okay. Wow. So
you as a car guy are very happy to see such
that's
technical details because
it's crazy.
It's okay.
Insane. The size 310.
Yes.
You can store your breakfast on it. Wow.
So each detail you see, you are happy because it's every part is handmade.
Yes.
Or modified or
everything mechanical.
A nice metal cover. You have the buttons on the motor side. You have buttons on the opposite side. You can control the lift on both sides. You can choose the mounting. You can also choose the width of the lift.
Okay.
Maybe if you have smaller distance, because on top you have different.
Nice.
Parts.
Yeah, if we do multiple, we can get one wide one and one like narrower one.
So here
for
you
all
can
the
see
modern
the
cars.
details. It's adjustable in the width.
Yeah.
And adjustable in the height.
That's amazing.
It's also the flattest arms we can offer. 85 millimeters is the rubber pad for extra low cars. You have a very great adjustment range in case of the 3-stage arms. So you can handle transporters and can handle BMW cars. The problem is on BMW, they are very wide, but the lifting points are very short.
Yes.
When you choose a 4.2 ton lift from us, the arm is a little bit too long. When you choose a 3.6 ton lift from us, perfect for BMW, but maybe a problem with a Mercedes Sprinter or a transporter car. Or
makes sense.
SUV or Jeep. So
very cool.
This is the lift we will offer you.
Nice. Sounds good. I guess that's kind of it for today's video. I think we may include sort of a teaser of what we will be getting for our new facility, and we will show you a lot more in the videos once it's time to actually install the new lifts and put our cars, your cars on it. I'm really excited. Again, like last year, the first equipment that we will be getting is actually lift, because that's the most important thing, to be able to work on your cars or other people's cars. If you have even garage at home yourself, once you have a lift, you're gonna have so many friends all of a sudden. So yeah, lift and then tools. All right, we're gonna go and get some lunch, I guess, and head back to Nürburgring and check out the Civic even more. So thanks for watching. Thank you, Twin Bush, for your time and showing us around and your secret collection. That was really impressive. As mentioned previously, it's very nice to see when people who work in car industry are also car guys themselves, and that was very evident in the case of Twin Bush. All right, let's go and maybe find a car wash or something for Lucid. Although the weather in Eifel is horrible next few days as well. Alright, that's it. Thanks again, and see you in tomorrow's video where we are going to... I don't even know at this point. Let's see.